First, we do this multiplication, 1 over 2 times 2. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2, so here we have just 1. So we have 120 divided by 1, which gives us 120. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So here, first we have to do this division. 120 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 2. 120 times 2 gives us 240. And 240 times 2 gives us 480. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 480.